Welcome to the Bird Beak Adaptation Lab. A bird's beak helps the bird to eat food. So what we're doing today is you are going to pretend to be a bird with different beaks. We have 3 beaks: tweezers, spoon, and straw. 3 beaks. You are going to put food into your stomach using your 3 beaks. How we're going to do it? On your iPad, you will open a timer. Onto Google, put timer. And leave it open. Then open up a calculator onto Google. Calculator. You will put 10 seconds on the timer. Then we will do it 3 times. 3 times with tweezers, 3 times with straw, 3 times with spoon. So, trial number 1 for the fish. I will use the tweezers. So I am going to try to put as many fish as I can into my stomach in 10 seconds. So I go to my timer. Ready, set, go. Oh gosh, oh no. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh, ah. Oh no, time's up. Press OK. Now I count. How many did I eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fish. So on my paper, tweezers, trial 1, I put 5 fish. Then I do this 3 times. 10 seconds, 3 times. After 3 times, I will take my numbers and go to the calculator, and I will find the average. So I do 5 plus 2 plus 3 on the calculator. 5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 10. Then I divide my number by 3. Divide by 3 equals 3.3. So my average is 3.3. Now I am done with the tweezers. Finished. Next, my straw. So same thing with the straw. How many can I do?